When you need to sand or polish in small spaces, the sanding detailer sticks from 2Sand.com may be your best solution. They're available in 7 grits from 80 to 600, and the sticks come in 7 colors, so you can keep track of which grit is which. These sanding detailer sticks are spring-loaded to make changing the belts quick and easy, so you're always working with a fresh, clean section of belt. Working with metals, plastics, or wood, the sanding detailer sticks from 2Sand.com help you get the details right.